Hey friends, welcome to Tech Art Studios. My name is Ranveer. In this video, we will teach you about how to use Omron's NB Designer software for programming NB series HMI. This is the software called NB Designer. We will first go to the file and press on the new. Here we will give a name to our project. Let's give it some random name, test underscore 05. Then we will click on the press OK. So here, first of all, we have to add an HMI to this project. As you can see on this left side, there are multiple number of HMIs. We will click on the third one, which is NB7WTW01B, and we will drag it into the middle screen. Here, it will give you an option to display it in the horizontal or vertical mode. We will choose the horizontal, that is the default mode. Click OK. Now, as we are going to just simulate this project, we are not going to add any PLC into this project. So simply we will click on this right panel and double click on this frame 0. Here this is the by default screen that will open when we will run this HMI software. So we will right click and change the background, go to the property. Here check on this background color option, and we can select any color. By default it is white, and we will click OK. After clicking OK, now we have to add a switch into our project. So we will add a bit switch. We will drag it onto this middle screen. We will define the address. It will be LB0. LB0 is the built-in address of the HMI. It is a bit address. Now we will go to the second tab. We will select the type of the push button we are going to use. At first, we are going to use the momentary push button. We will select the momentary. Now, as we know that this momentary push button is having two states, we can enable the two states. The first one, we will label it off on the sec, and then we click here on this first, and we will name it this on state. Then we will go to the graphics. At first, we have some by default graphics, but we need to add. We will go to this VG folder, double click on it, and then select a button. Then it will show a number of buttons that we can use. I will use some button like this one. Here you can select any one of your liking and click import. After clicking import, click on the exit button just to the right, and by default this button will be selected. We will click OK. That is all for the settings. We will resize a bit, and we can change the text size from here if we want. And it is we can change the second state by clicking on this button and change the text size here also. Now both the states have the same size, and we can center the text by clicking this and this buttons. These are buttons to vertically and horizontally middle the label onto the button. Now we will add a lamp. We will again drag it onto the middle screen. We will use the same LB0 address because we need to attach this to the same button. When the button will be pressed, our lamp will turn on. So in the lamp, we will keep it normal. In the label, we don't need to give it any label or anything. We just need to add import a graphic. We will go to VG and we will select a lamp, and here we will add a lamp of our choice. We will select this one and import, exit, and click OK. Then we will place it here on the center. We will resize it a bit bigger, and then if we need to center the both of these, we will select both of them and then press this align horizontal middle line, and then they will be horizontally aligned to each other. And if we want to align them to the middle of the screen, then we can press this button, and to vertically align, we can click on this second button. Now they are perfectly aligned to the center of the HMI. So this is it to set up. Now we will compile. We will go to tools and we will press on the compile button. It will take some time, just a few seconds, to build the project. It is necessary to run the compilation after completing our project. Then we will again go to tools and press offline test button to run the simulation. A new pop-up window will open. Here we have to click on the start button, and then we will have a simulation of the NB7 HMI that we have selected initially. So here we can see a push button which is off state and indicator both are in off state. So this is a momentary button. So as long as I will keep pressing it like this, it will stay on. And as soon as I release my mouse push button, or I will lift off the finger from the push button in the real HMI, it will turn off. So you can see both of these push button and lamp are having same address LV0. That's why they are linked. When I press the push button, the indicator turns on. So as long as I press the button, the lamp will stay on, and as soon as I stop or release the push button, the lamp will turn off. Let me give you a demo a few times. I'll press and release. I'll press a little longer this time and release now, and I'll press a faster time, stop. So this is the basic demonstration of the momentary push button. Hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, you can subscribe to my channel and keep watching my channel for the further videos in this video series. And thanks for watching this video. You can close this simulation by clicking right click and pressing the close button. Thank you once again.